ZRX, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, now we want to see whether we can look for buy from this correction since we have this sharp move. But beside that, we want to see whether this one can turn to a correction for one more drop or not. We want to see how we can trade it. In this case, we start with the higher time frame. Okay, we start with daily. We can see what we have. Based on daily, we have nothing. The only thing, the way it's moving is really corrective. I mean, we cannot get really good information. In this case, we move to forward chart. Okay, based on forward chart, we had this sharp move, and this is what we get. We want to see whether this is a correction for continuation or not. As long as the price haven't retest this low or here, mostly this is what we refer. Okay, still we can consider this one as a correction. Now the thing is whether this is a one is going to break the top, continue, or still we can expect this one to turn to the internal correction for one more drop. Okay, before we get the next move. In this case, we move to 1 hour chart. Want to see how we can trade it. Okay, first of all, can we put our line here, and is it helpful or not? Okay, as we can see, we have the prices correcting here. I don't think we need this line. Okay, by the way, now the question is whether this is the move, should we get the sharp move, this is the correction for continuation, or still we can expect this one to give us one more drop similar to what we have here. Either price drop from here, or it give us one move up, then drop. Then from there it start to reverse. How we can trade it? Okay, based on what we have right now, if we want to trade, one of the option is having entry above the top. And we want when we have entry above the top, we want the price sharply break tag breaking continue. If the price tag we see within 1 or 2 hours is not moving, we don't stay with the trade. Okay, and the another option is let the price drop one more. Any reversal from there we look for buy. Okay, if we move to 1 hour, if we lower time frame 15 minutes, we see what we're talking about. Because if either the price continue, because if we first of all if we refer this one, we see we had the divergence and the price drop. Now we are waiting for this correction. We see how we can look for buy. As I mentioned, one of the options is let the price to give us one more drop. At least we can look for this flat. Any reversal from there, we look for buy or having entry above the top. But we should know having entry above the top is really risky. Easily price can tag and reverse. Okay. And if we move to 1 hour chart, this is in case the price continue and start from here. But if we get any trade set up from here after the price broke the top, if we see it's not moving fast, it's corrective, we take out the trade. May we get similar to what we have here for one more drop. Okay, and in that case, if the price move any sharp move with the flag, if we see there is no continuation, also we can look for sell. Okay, also the possibility of the price reverse from there, here also we have it. Okay, by the way, how we can trade again for buy, having entry above the top, or let the price give us one more drop, maybe the breakout of this, then we will have this flat. Then from there, any reversal we look for buy. And if you want to look for sell, if the price move up, any sharp move with the flag, then we can look for sell, or if the price sharply drop from here. But if the price drop from here, it depends. We need to see whether we need to look for sell or not. But for me, if the price drop from here, I suggest do not look for sell, because may this one tend to a deeper correction for one move up. Anyway, we just follow the chart and see how we can trade. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.